Hi. We're often asked why we're able to deliver so much higher quality than other zinc plating companies. While there are many reasons, one of the most important is the fact that we incorporate so much cleaning within our plating process. Cleaning the part is just as important as plating it, which is why all of our cleaning is done right in our line. And we don't believe in pre-cleaning only parts that are visibly dirty. We clean them all, regardless of how good or bad they look when arriving at our facility. Here's why. When parts come into our plant, they often contain oil, scale, or other contaminants that might not be visible to the naked eye. If these aren't removed prior to plating, the zinc won't adhere properly. Some other platers pick and choose the parts that they think need to be cleaned prior to plating. When they guess wrong, it causes them to handle the parts multiple times and delay your turnaround. At Plateco, over half the lines in our overall plating process are dedicated solely to cleaning all of your parts. No other zinc plater does this. So if you're not thrilled with the quality you're getting from your zinc plater, just tell them to clean up their act.
We just love to zinc plate for you. Do whatever you need us to. Make your parts look shiny and new. We're in love with your business. Last night your parts were in our plant.